Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to check out the description box down below for your freebies, and remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today we are going to do this simple and easy anniversary card, so let's get right into it. So guys, right here I have my cardstock, which is 7 3/4 by 8 1/2, and I'm going to fold this in half, and this is all this is gonna do. And I have some scrap paper right here that I'm going to use to finish this card. These are my scraps. I'm gonna get these out of the way, and I'll be right back. So let's do the front portion of the card. I'm gonna go with this right here, and then I'm gonna go with this, cut off the excess of course. And this is my art paper. I use this to cut out some art earlier in my projects, and I'm going to put this one over this like so. This one I'm going to cut out the arts over here and put this right on top like so, and then I cut out the art shape at the back. So I will be using this mat to cut it out, and here is my knife right here. I'm just going to trace around it. Yeah, this. So yes guys, this is how it turned out. So I'm gonna pop this up. I'm gonna use some double side foam tape, and I'm going to pop it up. So guys, I also have a giveaway going on, so click in the description box for that link to enter. At the end of December, you guys will get to choose one of these cards, and I will send it to you whether New Year's, birthday, or any other specific occasion. So this is pretty much how the outside is going to look. I'm going to add some pearls around these arts, and then in the inside I'm going to add this one right here, and then I add this about right there. I'm gonna glue that up, and I will be right back with you guys. So this is 4 1/2 by 5 1/2 inches, and you want to score 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, and 4 inch. This is 4 1/2 by 4 inches, and you're gonna score 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, and 4 inch. And then you're going to crease and fold, which I already did. And I'm gonna glue this together, and also glue this one as well, which I am going to do offline. I'm gonna glue them, and I will be right back. So guys, here you have it. So this is what it looks like after I'm done. And here I have my 2 pieces, and I'm going to glue this one around here on the bottom on the side. Ensure it's in line with the creases, and it's in the middle. And then I'm going to go in with my bond folder in the middle. Oops. So you can use that. And I add 2 pieces of this paper. I'm going to add one here and one up here. So I'm going to add those, and I'm going to be right back with you guys. So here is it. And then I'm going to add this one on top, like right here. So with my bone folder. So guys, right now I'm going to add on these right here, and this one right here. I'm going to glue that, and I will be right back. So here I got it. Right here I have some arts that I cut out, and I'm going to add those. I'm going to add this one here. I'm going to show us how to add it on the bottom right there. some over here with these two.
So guys, if you make it this far and you like what you see, remember, don't forget to share it with your friends and loved ones. Share the love.
Put it in here. And that's it. You got right here, and I have these two pieces. I'm gonna put one.
So you don't have to follow my direction, you just make it yours. Just add whatever you like and the sentiment that you like, the style, the design.
So I'm gonna finish decorate the front part, and I will be right back putting on my pearls. So here's the card, and I'm going to add my sentiment right there off camera. I have these oaks that I cut out, oaks and kisses that I cut out, and I was going to add them right here, but I think about it, so where they're gonna add their notes. So I was thinking about adding them right here with a little space right there. I was thinking about adding here, and then the next two down here. I think I'm going to do that, and then that's it. So guys, this is the finished product of the card. I hope you enjoyed it. I couldn't find any settlement for the happy anniversary, so I just put sending love and put on some right here and here. Yeah, and this is what they look like. I hope you all enjoy this little tutorial. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell your friends and loved ones about Willoz Creations YouTube channel. I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.